Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Now you say, oh, yan na naman yung extremist fundamentalist media, Ben Tulfo. Come on, give me a break. F you. That's what you think. I'm not. There's such thing as yellow journalism. There's such thing as, sabihin natin, true blue. And there's such thing as, ewan. Developmental, envelopmental, and advocates. Okay? And objective. Whatever. Bahala na ho kayo. Are you guys listening to me? Mga journalism students and mass communication students, you'll get much more dito sa programa ho ng kakaiba ho. Talking in Search for Truth, we analyze and validate. Para doon ho sa mga paghanap ho natin katotohanan, para maharap ang katotohanan, ihiwalay ho natin mga bagay ho na kuminsan baka pinagmulan ho ng katang-isip pagkatapos ginawang katotohanan. Na kuminsan pinaghalo mong katotohanan kasi sinungalingan, patay ka na, sinungaling ka pa rin. Ang katang-isip at katotohanan, pinaghalo mo, posible baka sa katang-isip niyan magkatotoo kasi tamang hinala, tamang suspecha, pwede. Pag ang katotohanan at kasinungalingan, pinaghalo mo pareho, kasinungalingan pa rin yun. Okay? So ako ho naniniwala intensified drug campaign is a must. We'll give the president and we'll give the administration or give the law enforcement to continue. And kung meron man kayo nakikita sa mga opposition or anybody else, the well-meaning, sabihin ho natin opposition, the well-meaning analyst or the well-meaning observers and critics, go ahead and just keep doing what you're doing. We're not trying to stop you. Malimportante, so lumabas ang katotohanan. Iyon hong sinasabing malusog na sabihin ho nating demokrasya na talagang merong opposition, hindi ho yung sinusupla natin lahat. Ako ho'y bukas. Kaya lang, ingatan ho natin yung KKK. Yung katotohanan sa kasinungalingan at katang-isip or katang-isip tapos katotohanan tapos na uuwi sa kasinungalingan. Mahirap ho, ano? Okay.